A'udhu billahi minash shaitani rajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today our topic is fields and fences of class 4th. Tatio bachcho ascha az imuk karun trim question. Trim question ch Satish Ji's wife works in a tailor's shop. Satish Ji sans khandari ch karan ekis tailor shops pet kaam. She has to fix lace around a table cloth. Timis ch ekis table cloths lagin fix karin chis lace. She bought a 100-meter roll of lace. Tim his mul 100-meter roll lace. Look at the picture of the table cloth. Tui wuchu ya table cloths kun. You see picture chi tasveer chi dit at kun wuchu and tell be winu how much lace is used for one table cloths. Kacha like ekis table cloths lace. At ekis table cloths kacha like lace. Tatho bachcho is karo kit kanan. Eki bano as table cloths. एक तरफ छ ये 1 मीटर तो 50 सेंटीमीटर बेक तरफ ती पेटकन ती 1 मीटर तो 50 सेंटीमीटर इमिज बेक तरफ छ 50 सेंटीमीटर बेक तरफ ती 50 सेंटीमीटर युस पैरामीटर ऑफ रेक्टेंगल फार्मूला छ सु छ 2 into length plus breadth. Tatho bachcho yus ye rectangle image perimeter formula 2 into length plus breadth. Length gayis ye, breadth gayis ye. As lekho it kanan 2 length kaza chis 1 meter 50 centimeter plus image breadth kaza chis 50 centimeter. Tatho gobro is parameter go so image indich boundary. Yus parameter of rectangle formula so go length plus 2 into length plus breadth. So go 2 1 meter 50 centimeter gay image length. Image breadth gay kocha 50 centimeter. So go 2 into 1 meter. Yim 50 centimeter to yim 50 centimeter. Ye 50 centimeter plus ye 50 centimeter. Ye go 1 meter. To ye 1 meter. Eti kas meter gay gay sari 2 meter. Gay sari 2 meter. 1 ye meter go 1 meter. Yim 50 centimeter plus yim 50 centimeter. Ye 50 centimeter ye 50 centimeter go 1 meter. To ye 1 meter gay spata sari 2 meter. So go 2 2s are kya go 2 2s are gay 4 tel katya lagan as ekis tables 4 meter lace lagyat önin yat lag kota lace önin 4 meter lace. Khoda hafiz.